Welcome to my in-depth review of MoneyManager Pro, a feature-packed personal finance app aimed at helping you track your expenses, plan your budget, and gain control over your finances. When you first open the app, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that clearly outlines your current financial status, from income and expenses to savings. The layout is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through various features. One of the standout features of MoneyManager Pro is its customizable categories for income and expenses. You can set up detailed categories, which are color-coded for better visibility. Whether you're tracking groceries, utilities, or investments, the app makes it easy to see where your money is going. The budgeting tool is another highlight. It allows you to set monthly limits for specific categories and provides real-time feedback when you're approaching those limits. This feature is perfect for staying disciplined and avoiding overspending. MoneyManager Pro also offers robust financial reporting. You can generate reports in various formats, including charts and graphs, to analyze your spending habits and savings over time. These reports are especially useful if you want to identify patterns or make informed decisions about adjusting your budget. One of the things I appreciate most about this app is its syncing capability. You can sync data across multiple devices, ensuring that your financial information is always up to date, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. This is a game changer for users who need flexibility in managing their finances on the go. Security is another strong point of MoneyManager Pro. The app supports password protection and biometric authentication, ensuring that your sensitive financial data is secure. Overall, my experience with MoneyManager Pro has been excellent. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for both beginners and advanced users looking to streamline their financial management. The app is regularly updated, which shows that the developers are committed to improving the user experience. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful personal finance app, MoneyManager Pro is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to download the app and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. See you in the next video.